Here we are. We are at D.H. Baggum's Circus of Fear.
How many?
2.
You're good.
Awesome. Here we go. This one's themed to clowns, so we'll see how it is.
We got Quasi to support us on the side.
Yeah, we have Quasi on our side.
Welcome to the place you truly belong, the circus.
Well, let's see. Let's see if we truly belong here.
Step right up, step right up. We've been waiting. Go to the tree.
Damn. Woo. That was good. That was a good one, y'all.
Want some ice cream?
Ooh, these scares are starting out strong.
And with your admission
Oh no.
that you feel the pain, I have the gold mine
Oh, that was intense. He got so close.
Cheese! There you go.
Welcome to the circus.
Would you like to play a game? Come on in!
Let's see.
Order ahead or lose yours.
He said my shirt is shorter than my picture. Oh God. They don't do it to me. Let the fear quit singing.
Join me.
Oh. Whoa, dude.
Not again, bro.
Oh boy. Oh, here's the end. That was a good one, y'all. They had some good scares there. One last look. What an incredible house, y'all.